Are you waiting for Grandma, Louis? You heard her go in the bathroom? Yeah. Puppies are growling at each other because they're eating their food. Yep. It's all good. Ooh, it should be coming out soon. Which direction will she go? You hear Taco and Uncle Burt are trying to be tough little boys. Somebody's got bells on. Yes, they do. Hi, Grandma. You see that? There she went, back in the room. Yeah. I got to see her briefly, Louis. How's your food there, Taco? I heard your bell. Oh, you gotta be mad because Bert's watching you eat? See? Look at that. He's like, yep, I ate most of my food, Mama. Did you? Got your little light on? We're gonna go out again? Yeah. They gotta protect their food. Yeah. Why don't you just finish eating it? Huh? Why don't you just finish eating it, Taco? Everyone just wants to go, go, go. You guys, quit acting all silly. Quit acting all silly. Taco, you gonna eat any more? Are ya? Maybe? Maybe I'll just growl. Yeah. Grandma went to bed. Right, Louis? Yeah. We have to see her, wait for her next time. Say good night to everybody. You had an itchy itch? Taco's being all vocal. He doesn't want to eat no more, but he sure does want to bark and growl at Uncle Burt, and Uncle Burt is way over on the other side of the couch. Yeah.